In this video today, we are going to be talking about mirror trends. The 5 mirror trends that are completely taking over homes in 2026. Now, you might be thinking, Andy, are you a mirror expert? No. Far from it. I do not sell mirrors. I do not make mirrors. But that has never stopped me before, and I am not going to start now. And actually, the reason you should listen to me is because I am just like you. I am the type of person who walks into his own bathroom every morning and thinks something feels off in here. I do not know what it is, but something feels off. And then I spend the next 3 months on Pinterest trying to figure out what it is. Sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so here is what nobody tells you. Most of the women I talk to, beautiful homes, gorgeous decor, well-decorated rooms, they all have one thing aging their house, and they do not even realize it. The mirrors. The mirrors are the thing. I see you in the comments saying, but Andy, I just bought new throw pillows. Andy, I just repainted. Andy, I just got new curtains. I love that for you. I really do. But if your mirrors are the same builder grade rectangles that came with the house 15 years ago, honey, none of it matters. Buyers walk in and they see those mirrors first, the first thing. Designers report up to a 15% lift in bathroom return on investment after mirror upgrades alone. Smart mirrors are now in over 40% of new luxury home builds, and requests for modern mirrors have jumped 30% year over year. The market is changing fast. And listen, I am not going to make you remodel anything. I am not going to send you to Home Depot for a contractor. I am the lowest common denominator girl. I put the bar so low you are going to trip over it. You can do every single one of these in an afternoon. No drilling, no demo day, no husband required. Although if your husband wants to help, that is fine too. The trend at number 1, designers say it does more for a small bedroom than knocking down a wall. Real estate stagers put it in almost every listing, and it costs less than a weekend at the spa, but you have to earn it. We are starting at number 5. By the time we get to trend number 3, you are going to question everything you have been told about bathroom mirrors for the last 20 years. Some of you are going to disagree with me, and that is fine. You are valid, but you are also going to want to keep watching. Let us go. The organic puddle mirror. Okay, let us start with the trend that is everywhere right now. Everywhere. If you have been on Pinterest in the last 6 months, you have seen it. You just did not know it had a name. It is called the organic puddle mirror. Some designers call it the pond mirror. This is the mirror that finally looks like art instead of furniture. These mirrors feature amorphous, free-flowing shapes that mimic natural forms like bodies of water or polished stones. No two are exactly alike. Each one feels like a unique sculptural piece. This trend exploded because of biophilic design, the movement to bring nature indoors. After years of sharp angles and rigid minimalism, homeowners are craving softer, more organic elements. Cool grays are taking a back seat. Curved silhouettes are everywhere, and these mirrors deliver exactly that natural flowing energy. These mirrors work especially well in spaces with hard edges. Think bathrooms with rectangular tiles, or living rooms with angular furniture. The curved shape softens those sharp lines and creates visual balance. One designer put it this way: they help create a calming flow that makes even small rooms feel more inviting. For placement, treat these mirrors as you would artwork. Center them at eye level, 57 to 65 inches from the floor. That is 145 to 165 centimeters. If placing above furniture, leave 6 to 8 inches of space between the furniture top and the mirror bottom. The organic puddle mirror appeals to homeowners who appreciate the beauty of imperfection and natural inspiration. It is a conversation starter that doubles as a functional piece. So the puddle mirror works because it breaks the rules of geometry. But the next trend, It does the opposite. It takes one of the oldest shapes in architecture, thousands of years old. You have seen it in cathedrals, in Roman doorways, in every European city. It turns that shape into something your bathroom has never seen before. And once you understand the problem this trend solves, a problem most people do not even know they have, a problem you have been living with every single morning without realizing it, you're going to wonder why every bathroom in America does not have one. Trend number 4. Okay, here's what I love about this next one. The shape itself has been around for thousands of years. Think ancient cathedrals, Roman doorways, and European architecture. Timeless. The technology behind it is brand new, and that combination is what is blowing up bathrooms across the country right now. The illuminated arch mirror combines the classic elegance of the arched silhouette with modern LED backlighting. The result is a soft halo glow that eliminates harsh shadows and creates the most flattering light for daily routines. Arch mirrors have always felt timeless and warm. The curved top softens any space and adds a sense of architectural history. About 90% of high-end bathroom remodels now specify backlit or smart mirrors. Here is why this matters to you. Traditional overhead bathroom lighting creates unflattering shadows under your eyes, chin, and nose. You have probably noticed this. You look great in natural light, but somehow different under harsh bathroom fixtures. Backlit mirrors solve this problem completely. They wrap your face in soft, even illumination. Perfect for makeup, for getting ready, for simply looking your best before you start your day. For bathrooms, the bottom of an arch mirror should sit 5 to 10 inches above the sink, 12 to 25 centimeters. In other rooms like entryways or bedrooms, center the arch at eye level for maximum impact. If you want a bathroom that looks current and works better day to day, an illuminated arch mirror is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. It looks modern, reduces shadows, and often pays off with a stronger resale story. Okay, so the illuminated arch fixes the lighting problem. Beautiful, functional, done. But what if I told you the next trend does not just solve lighting? It remembers your preferences. It defrosts itself after a hot shower. It tells you the temperature outside before you walk out the door. And it is showing up in over 40% of new luxury home builds. 5 years ago, this was science fiction. Today, it is becoming standard. And listen, if you are remodeling your bathroom right now without considering this technology, your home is going to feel dated the day the contractor walks out the door. I see some of you in the comments saying, "Andy, this sounds expensive." It is not what you think. Stay with me. The smart vanity mirror. All right, this is where I lose some of you. I see you. I know. Some of you are already saying, "Andy, I do not need my mirror to talk to me." Trust me, I get it. But listen, this is not your grandmother's medicine cabinet. This is something completely different. And once you understand what these mirrors actually do, you are going to want one, even if you swore you would not. Smart mirrors have evolved from futuristic novelty to practical necessity. The new generation includes touch controls, adjustable color temperature, built-in demisters to prevent fogging, and even magnification zones for detailed grooming. The best smart mirrors offer layers of functionality. Adjust brightness with a touch. Switch between warm light for relaxing evenings and cool light for energizing mornings. No more wiping condensation after a hot shower. Some even include Bluetooth speakers or charging ports. Installation follows standard bathroom mirror rules. Leave 5 to 10 inches above the sink. The mirror width should never be narrower than your sink and ideally matches or slightly exceeds the vanity width. This technology is no longer a luxury feature. It is becoming a standard expectation in remodeled bathrooms. Homes without it are starting to feel dated before they even hit the market. Smart mirrors are the future, no question. But the next trend is the opposite. It is a return to materials so old they predate electricity itself. Materials your grandmother might have called timeless. And listen, designers are pairing this with bathroom vanities in a way that makes a $5,000 piece look effortless. like you did not even try. Quiet luxury is the phrase everyone is using. But here's the catch. Most homeowners place these mirrors wrong. They put them in the wrong room, on the wrong surface, at the wrong height, and it ruins the entire effect. It actually makes the home look cheaper, not more expensive. I'm going to show you the rule that fixes it. Trend number 2. Stone base mirrors. Okay, this one is for those of you who feel like everything in your home looks too new, too plastic, too builder grade. You walk in and nothing has weight, nothing has soul. This is the trend that fixes it. This is where mirrors stop being mirrors and start becoming sculpture. Tabletop and vanity mirrors are getting luxurious updates with substantial bases crafted from travertine, marble, or other premium natural stones. The striking contrast between the heavy, earthy stone foundation and the sleek reflective glass creates beautiful sculptural objects. After years of cold minimalism, homeowners want surfaces they can touch, materials with weight and presence. Stone-based mirrors deliver exactly that sense of permanence and quiet luxury. The beauty of stone-based mirrors is that they feel collected, like something you might find in a European antique shop. They add gravitas to a space without being heavy-handed. And because each piece of natural stone is unique, no two mirrors are exactly alike. Here is the placement rule that fixes the problem I mentioned. Keep the proportions balanced. The mirror should not overpower the surface it sits on. Leave clear space around it so the stone base can breathe and make its statement. Carrara marble, travertine, and other premium stones in neutral tones work in virtually any design style. Okay, we made it. Trend number 1. The stone-based mirror is luxury you can touch. But the trend at number 1 does not sit on furniture, it does not hang on walls, and it does not even need a single nail. It just leans. And listen, that one decision, that one tiny choice to lean instead of hang, is why interior designers and real estate stagers call it the single most powerful trick they have. One designer told me she has seen this transform tiny New York City studios into spaces that feel like boutique hotels, dark hallways into bright entryways, cramped bedrooms into rooms you actually want to wake up in. No drilling, no damaged walls, no contractor. If you are a renter, this is your trend. If you have been in your home 20 years and you do not want a project, this is your trend. If you have a small space that feels darker than it should, this is your trend. Here is exactly how to do it. The oversized leaning floor mirror. Okay, here we are. Trend number 1. And listen, I have been holding this for the entire video because it really is the most powerful one. Bigger truly is better when it comes to mirrors. I said what I said. Here is why designers love them. An oversized mirror does not just reflect your image, it reflects your entire room. It doubles the visual space. It bounces natural light from windows into darker corners. It creates depth and dimension in ways that no other single piece of decor can match. For 2026, the most sought-after designs feature minimalist metal frames in sleek black or warm brass finishes. Thick wooden frames are also trending for their gallery-like presence. Whether positioned in bedrooms or living areas, these mirrors offer an effortless way to add drama and elegance. The leaning style is key. Unlike wall-mounted mirrors that require precise hanging, drilling, and potentially damaging your walls, leaning mirrors rest against the wall at a slight angle. This creates a relaxed, intentional look that feels collected rather than staged. It also makes them incredibly easy to move whenever you want to change. For placement, full-length leaning mirrors should begin approximately 8 to 12 inches from the floor. Position them where they can reflect natural light from a window or an interesting architectural feature, such as a chandelier or a fireplace. In small spaces, an oversized leaning mirror can be transformative. A narrow bedroom can suddenly feel twice as wide. A dark hallway becomes bright and open. A cramped living area gains depth and dimension. This is why real estate stagers almost always include them. They know the power of reflection. Do not be afraid to go big. In this case, bigger almost always reads as more intentional and more impactful. One piece, no complex installation. Immediate transformation. 5 trends. 5 upgrades that do not require a contractor, a permit, or a single hammer. Mirrors are not afterthoughts. They are among the most powerful tools we have for shaping how a room feels. A mirror can make a small room feel spacious, a dark room feel bright, a cold room feel warm. No other decorative element has that kind of transformative power. Now listen, if you have got mirrors in your home that you love, that work for you, that make you happy when you walk past them, keep them. I am not coming for you. Not everything on the internet is for everyone. That is fine. But if you have been staring at the same builder-grade rectangle for the last 15 years, wondering why your bathroom feels stuck in 2010, now you know what to do. And listen, if you think mirrors are the only thing aging your home, wait until you see what curtains are doing to it. There is a curtain mistake that 90% of homes over 15 years old still have. It is the first thing buyers notice when they walk in. The first thing. And most homeowners have no idea they are doing it. I made a whole video on it. It is right there in the description. I will catch you there.